I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
What's up, YouTube? What is up? What is good? It's your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Anyway, in today's video, y'all, first off, let's get right, okay? Let's get right. Welcome for my first time viewers. If this is your first time, hey boo! Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, so you could join the gang, Glam Dog gang. And make sure y'all hashtag notification squad, so I know that y'all got the notification for all my badass. Hey glam dolls, what's goody, what's up, what's your poppin' or whatever. But anyway, now we got that out the way, okay? This look here took, I keep saying this every video, but y'all do not understand the time it took or it takes to do these looks for y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, okay? This took me from 4 o'clock p.m. to, what time is it now? To this time p.m. Okay? Don't read my messages, y'all. But I'm like, for this, I mean, it ain't nothing wrong with it, okay? She pop it or whatever. But it took me about 4.5 hours to do this look. So this is what I wanted to bring to you guys. I don't know what the fuck it is, but it's whatever. You know, I did a look. And I used the SheNaked palette right here. So I used about 3 or 4 shades from this palette. Actually, just 3 shades. I used this black shade. Y'all will see it in the video because I can't sit here and explain the whole thing, even if I just did the whole tutorial for y'all, okay? So anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, please. And thank you. I really do appreciate it. It helps me a lot. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to get more videos out there for you guys. So make sure. Oh, y'all like my head wrap? I'm going to do a look based on my head wrap. What y'all think? Yes or nay? Yes or no? But anyway, I am out of y'all. I love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.